Hey, Quinn here. Just wanted to send you a quick little update about the process now that we have an accepted offer. So obviously the pre-qual letter was to ensure that you can afford what you're offering. But now that you have an accepted offer, go ahead and get me all the updated documents requested. Pay stubs, W-2s, tax returns if needed, and bank statements. So need 2 months of bank statements. That's a requirement. If I see any big deposits, we're going to have to document where those deposits came from as well. Initial loan disclosures will go out. Those numbers are not yet final. May not even be real accurate because there's a lot of things we don't know yet. But go ahead and sign them. There's nothing contractual about it. It just acknowledges receipt and allows us to get it into underwriting. Once we come out of underwriting, the underwriter will let us know if we need any more documents or if they have any questions, and we'll address it at that time. Once you're out of the option period, we need to order the appraisal, which I'll handle the order. I'll just reach out to you for payment. So that should be your only loan expense prior to the close date. Also throughout the process here, be shopping for homeowners insurance. I have some agent contacts if you need them. But otherwise be shopping around. Once you pick a carrier, let me know because we need to get them some loan information. But as we go through this process, the loan numbers will become a little bit more accurate. You will get a closing disclosure well before your close date, and then you'll get a final number, a day or so before your close date. But the rate, if we lock it at the beginning, that rate is locked in. It's not going to change. Whether the market goes up or down. If it's not locked in, we will be talking rates throughout the process, and hopefully we pick a good day to lock. And I'll go through all the rates with that if you want to buy it down anymore, or if you want a no-cost rate. But I'll make sure you understand all that. So I'm going to walk you through the entire process. But once we get through everything, your loan will be, once the underwriter signs off on everything, it's what we call clear to close, which is a great term in the lending world. That means the underwriter has signed off on everything, and now we're going to start coordinating the closing. So we'll get with title company at that point. The closing attorney and the title company will go through and balance all numbers. We'll send an initial closing disclosure out. By law, that has to go out no less than 3 days before closing. So there'll be initial closing disclosure. Again, signature required just to acknowledge you've seen it, nothing contractual. They'll work on fine-tuning those numbers to get a more accurate number, and then you should see a final number, a day or so before your close date. We'll go through that final closing disclosure together. You will know what you need to bring to the table, and you can either bring a cashier's check made out to the title company, or you can wire funds to the title company via wiring instructions that they will provide to you. So that's the basic process. I'm here to guide you the whole way. Appreciate you using Top Tier Mortgage. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. I look forward to talking soon.